Hi there, let's talk about the storage modes in Power BI. In Microsoft Power BI Desktop, you can specify the storage mode of a table in the model view. The storage mode lets you control whether Power BI Desktop caches the table data in memory for reports or not. So to set the storage mode, you can select a table and then go to the advanced, and this is where you get three different storage modes. One is the import, another is direct query, and then we have got dual. So you can set the storage mode property to one of these three values. The imported tables with these settings are cached, and the queries submitted to the Power BI dataset would return data from import tables, which can be fulfilled only from the cached data. If you select direct query, the tables with these settings are not cached. And if you select dual, tables with these settings can act as either cached or not cached, depending on the context of the query that's submitted to the Power BI dataset. So that's how you can select the right choice of the storage mode.